Okay, here you guys go. Presents. Presents. Yeah, you get presents at Christmas. That's crazy. Did I see what I think I saw in there? Hello, seekers. Whoa, we made it. We made it. Day 12. 12 days of spare box. And I figured we come here and end the 12 days of spare box where we started the first 12 days of spare box at the Miette in place Mausoleum. Oh, I messed up my legs. There we go. I figured this is where the first 12 days of spare box, this is where we were. So I figured we'll end this one here. And we'll see. I remember last time we came here, we asked if they would knock back to us. I don't remember if they did or not, but I figured we'll try that again. We have the REM pod down there. I'm going to set up the light balls back there by the door, see if they go off, and then we'll get to speaking and see what kind of communication we get today. Hello, Miette and Place. Spoken to you close to a year or 2 years ago, and I'd love for you to come through and speak with me today. I'm going to ask you this right now. If you are here, can you repeat this knock for me? Make sure you do that nice and loud. Alrighty. Maybe if they let us, because I just realized you can see inside this window. If they let us, we may take a peek in there later on, but only if they say it's okay. And I put the light bulbs back there. Hopefully you guys will be able to see them if they go off. And all right. Anybody who can hear my voice, my name is Chris. I would love to speak with you. Who is here with me right now? Are there any spirits here with me? People? I'd like to ask you some questions and just speak with you. Can you make yourself visible to me in your doorway? Oh, I don't know. Like I said, all I know is Miette in Place. I'm not sure of the first names, but we got Matthew here. Hey, Matthew. Do you still celebrate Christmas in the afterlife? Figure? Where's the figure? You are the lights? There's lights on the ground. The lights. Or you talk about Christmas lights. They just asked about Christmas. If you're talking about the lights on the ground, set them off. All you gotta do is touch them. Come outside and touch them. Did I say the door? There's one right next to the door. Top. What's up, Seeker Squad? Well, I'm sitting here editing this video right now, and I just realized that response, top, is more relevant than I initially thought it was. You'll see what I mean later on in this video. Alright, let's get back. Top? The window? It said video. I am recording. If you show up, you'll be in the video. Make yourself visible. How do you celebrate Christmas in the afterlife? Observing something. He's in there? Who's in there? If you're in there, can you knock on the door? Make it very loud. Do you visit your loved ones during Christmas time? On Christmas Day? Any spirits that can hear my voice, if you can remember, what was your favorite Christmas gift that you ever received? Also, Seeker Squad. Put it in the comments. What was your favorite Christmas gift you ever received? Insight. Insight. We're just looking for some insight into your daily life and afterlife. If I had to say my favorite Christmas gift ever. I don't know. I remember when I was real young, I got the video game system that I definitely was not expecting to actually get. That was pretty cool. But nowadays I just watch the kids. I get little gifts here and there, but watch the kids have a good time. That's what it's about. Making sure the kids are laughing and having a good time. Walking spirit? Where's the walking spirit? Walk over here. Me yet? In place. Would you mind if I took a look inside? Is it okay? Do? Thought I heard do. I'm not sure though. Want to make sure. Yes? Yes? Is it okay if I look inside? Look. Look something. The wall. Thought I heard yes again. Alright, I'm gonna take a look. And then I'll bring you guys and you guys can take a look. Quite a lot of people in there. Oliver. From the army. Alright. Well, this just said appear. This just said appear. Alright, I'm gonna bring you guys over. Let you guys take a look inside. They said look. So hopefully you guys will be able to see. I'll get you guys close. You know what I'm gonna do? Hold on. Close. I'm gonna take you guys out of here. I can get you guys closer. Alright, here you guys go. Can anybody appear in there? I hope you guys were able to see. Hope you guys were able to see. Can you guys see? Can anybody appear? Dark? Said it's dark. It is dark in there. Woo. All right. I know I saw the name Oliver. It's the only name I could see. I don't know if you guys saw it. Sorry about that angle. Woo. Almost dropped you guys. Alrighty. I saw the name Oliver. Oliver, can you come through? We got Ann. I don't know if there's an Ann in there.
Great.
I saw Oliver is inside. I know there's an Oliver in there. Spirits, can you tell me how you celebrate Christmas? How do you celebrate Christmas? I'm gonna go out. You're gonna go out on Christmas, or you're gonna come out right now? Stewart. Stewart. We got a Stewart here. Abigail. Everybody coming through now. Come celebrate Christmas with us, everybody. Come celebrate. Oh, somebody gonna be walking by with their dog in a couple minutes. They had no choice but to walk back past us. That's all right. Let's see what he does. He's gonna come this way. Or he's gonna go the other way.
Back to Jack.
Going the other way. The dog wanted to come this way. He went the other way. I knew we were gonna probably run into some people today. They were talking about dog earlier, I believe. All right. Spirits. What's the one activity that you can remember doing on Christmas while you were living? Did I say eat? Hey, Leonard. Meeting? Yeah. You meet up with your family. Meet up with other people. Meeting up right now. We did tell everybody to come celebrate with us. Spirits, don't forget, if you can, knock on that door. Knock on that door. Any knock you want. It could be one loud one. You can repeat the 4 knocks that I did at the beginning. There he is. Oh, was that Mr. No coming through, and then somebody else came through and told Mr. No? No? That was a different no. Ooh, Mr. No, they're starting to defy you. Dog. Nah, that definitely said dog. Presents. Yeah, you get presents at Christmas. What was your favorite present? Do you remember what your favorite present was? Family. It's a good present. Spending time with family. It's always good. Dominic. Hey, Dominic. What was your favorite thing to eat on Christmas Day? So, because I said earlier was an activity, you said eat. What was your favorite thing to eat? I thought I heard cookies. I'm not sure though. Hi, Mary Ellen. Did you have a big family gathering on Christmas time? Yes. Yes, we did. Peaceful. Let me ask you this: did you ever catch Santa Claus? Did you ever catch Santa Claus? No. Heard about him. I heard about him. Never caught him. What was a Christmas tradition that you did? What was a Christmas tradition? Music. Okay. I don't. What do you do? Do you have a tradition on Christmas now? After you have passed? Do you have any tradition that you do now? In the crypt? Is that what it said? Observing out? Why don't you come out? Why don't you come outside? Do all the spirits gather in this resting area for Christmas? Do they all gather together? Or do they all go and visit their loved ones? Did I say Christmas Day? Christmas Day? Thought I heard that. Did you have a favorite outfit you wore every Christmas? This is good. Thank you for. I had a good life. That's good to know. Something about that door. Bang on it. Will do. Bang on it nice and loud. Chicken, chicken. Bang on that door. No, I thought of it after. I should have put you guys be able to look in there and then put my flashlight. Maybe we'll take another look. Quick look with the light. And maybe we'll see some names. Maybe we'll see if we got Matthew, Stuart, or Ann. Anybody that came through. See if their names are in there. So I saw Oliver. He had a plaque on the wall. All right. Spirits, I'm gonna take one more look inside. If you're okay with that. But I want to see if I can see any names. Alrighty. Let's take another look. One more look. We're gonna get going soon. Alrighty. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can see inside. We got Simon, Adeline. I'm not sure what that is. Ovid, Lydia, William, Charles, Bernadette, Ovid again. Can you guys see in there? I don't even know if you guys can see. Raymond, Louisa, Emmeline. That's what it looks like in there. Hopefully you guys can be able to see that. So I didn't see none of those names or hear any of those names. Rita has a plaque all the way on the top. Oh. You guys see that? Can you guys see that? There's an open thing up there. A bunch of wooden boxes. Is that a coffin? I think there's a coffin. Up there. I hope you guys are able to see that. It's open. I hope you guys were able to see that. That's crazy. I think you could see a wooden coffin. There's something, a bunch of wooden boxes. One of them looks like it was a small coffin. That's crazy. Let me turn this back on for a little bit.
With a iron something afoot.
Did I see what I think I saw in there? It was dark. I put a light. I like music. I asked earlier. Traditions or one of your favorite memories. We got music on here. Music on there. Spurs, I'm gonna get going. Do you have any final messages?
That he could remember really
Oh, spirits, I hope you have a good Christmas. Spend it with your loved ones. Spend it with your friends. Just have a good, safe time. I have to get going now. I wish I could stay, but I gotta get going. Thank you for coming through. Spend it with your family. All right, Seeker Squad. We did it. We did it. 12 days of Spare Box. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series here. If you had a favorite moment, remember, favorite gift you received on Christmas, put it in the comments. You guys are the best. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, click that bell, turn notifications on so you get notified when the videos drop. You guys are the best. And I will see you in the next one.